Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna be real and upfront and honest with y'all. Today is Good Friday. Normally I work on Fridays. I decided to take off because we were scheduled to work, and I'm like, it's Good Friday. And I have something new coming. I'm going to do an unboxing video for you guys. I get that posted. But before I do that, what I wanted to do was come in and I wanted to show you guys my room, because it's not going to look like this the next time I record a video. Stay tuned if you want to know what it's going to look like. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and walk into my room. So as you see, as soon as you walk, my room is like the office. So I have French doors on the outside. As soon as you walk in, you're going to see I have bins underneath my cutting table. And then this is my cutting table. This is where I cut all my fabric. I have a pegboard on the wall, which is where I have my hoops. And underneath that is my persona. I have a 15 by 15 heat press, a 16 by 20 landscape heat press, not portrait, landscape. Then I have my mini heat press station over there, where I have my convection oven, which I haven't used in a while, but before I got a tumbler press, that's what I was using to sublimate my tumblers on. I have two Cricut Easy Mini presses. It is a little dirty in here, so don't mind that. A mud press, and then I have a 12 needle happy machine. I have my thank you bags, my stabilizers, these, my hoops for my happy machine is on my wall right here. And then here is a stand that I have that has, and there's my daughter. But here's a stand that I have that has all my cutters on it. So you'll see I have a silhouette, or Cameo, because the software is called Silhouette. So I have a Cameo, a Cricut Air 2, I have a Brother Scan and Cut, and then I also have a white toner printer. Up here on the top shelf is where I keep my bow making items, and then over here on my actual desk is just some of the reference things. I have this stand that I use to have my reference material on if I need to reference anything. I have a spot where I put my completed orders once done, so I know to go back in and update my inventory. I have the ability to see out the window. I have my sleeves here that shows me when my orders are due. And then I have my Rollo printer for shipping labels, a Dymo to print my barcodes and things of that nature, a receipt scanner, more notebooks to be able to reference things, and then I have a converted 7720 Epson printer for sublimation. I have two 3-drawer bins underneath my desk that hold supplies and materials. And then, of course, as you know, it's the week of Easter, so I was doing lots of anklets. So I have this ribbon rack that I purchased off of Amazon to put all of my ribbon on. This is what I have my blanks in, which I'm going to finish getting that labeled. I have a Juki 2010Q sewing machine. I have a Juki Curie. Yes, I normally have them covered. I just don't in this case. Here is my HTV. I have that on my wall on a piece of grid wall. Then I have a shelf that has my sewing supplies in it. This has my stamps for when I sew, and I'm going to use my stamps to stamp the information about my business and my sizing. I also have tags in this small little craft toolbox. These are my sewing tags, and then my smaller stamps for sizing. I have more supplies up here on this wall. Lots and lots and lots of ribbon. Guys, I even have ribbon in the back. I have ribbon in tubs because I just run through a lot of ribbon. So, yeah. And then I have two sergers. One normally has white thread and one normally has black, but I was sewing something in red one day, so I switched it over. So I have one in red, one in white, and then I have a cover stitch. So those are the tools technically that I use on a daily/weekly basis for my business. Oh, one other thing, I do have an Epson projector, so I can stop printing my patterns and just start using the projector. But what we've realized is with this cutting table, since it folds and unfolds, it's very unleveled. So in order for me to use that projector, I'm going to have to either get a new cutting table or try to just use one side so that it's leveled. But we'll do that. We'll say that for another video because I kind of just got frustrated and put it over here underneath the shelf. Also on the bottom, you'll see my hoop master. And then I just have some bolts of fabric here that I purchased and some tulle. And like I said before, it's a little messy in here. There's my iron over there. I have a trash can, more thread. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick overhaul of my room. Say hi, Aria.
Hi.
Of my room. I have a TV over there, which is almost kind of inconvenient because normally I'm over here working. As you see outside my room, I have more fabric. That's not even all of it. There's my son, Amir. Say hi, Amir.
Hi.
Can you slide out the way, please? Thank you. So I have even more fabric out there. And hopefully you guys will get to see the finished look soon. Cutting mats and rulers. And again, it's just a whole lot that's going on in my room. But I wanted to give you guys a glimpse so you can see. And I have something special for you guys the next time. On the next video. And maybe not even be the next video. I might just add it in this one. See you guys. But he said 700 pounds. That's what it said on the website.
Don't be videoing.
Don't be
If everything goes ape shit, I don't want it all over TikTok and YouTube.
No. No. We good. I'll make sure I cut that part out. Oh, you got a pallet jack.
Guessing you want it rolled up in the garage or you
No,
want it over
here,
the front door?
over towards the front door. I'm so glad you got a pallet jack. That's why I moved my car. It's like all the other videos I've seen, it just gets dropped in their driveway. I'm like, I can't get blocked in.
There's a lot of guys that won't do it. I'll move it wherever I can roll it.
I sure do appreciate it.
Pretty easy. You want it up here or right here in the corner?
How you want it, Hankins? Because you the one that said to undo it.
That's cool right there.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I want to be in the video.
Well, they got it in the house. I didn't record that part because it was a little bit stressful trying to get it in. So, we will get it finished, get it set up, or finish setting it up once my husband gets back from his out-of-town trip. From his 7-on-7 tournament. Go Tigers!